I didn't think I'd be coming back to my Kirby quite so fast, but here we are, my Kirby Avalir 2. And the reason I'm coming back to this is I just discovered something. Well, actually, I didn't just discover something. This is something a viewer reported to me a long time ago, and I'm not gonna lie, I thought they were crazy, but I can duplicate it, and it's just amazing. It blows my mind. If you don't know anything about a Kirby, all you need to know is they are among the, if not the most powerful vacuum that you can buy. They last decades, 132 CFM. They will suck up carpet. When you're vacuuming, you can see waves in carpet where it's pulling it. That's how much suction they get. They'll suck up everything in the carpet and even stuff below it, powder and dust and such. But they are heavy. I mean, they're big metal objects, 22 point something pounds, I think it was when I weighed it the other day. And to help compensate for that, they have what's called a tech drive. It's basically a motor that assists this thing, because as it's vacuuming, you're pushing back and forth. Well, if you don't have something to assist, it's a heavy vacuum. And you have suction pulling it, so basically something trying to hold on to it, it's going to be hard. There's a lot of restriction. Well, they invented this thing called the tech drive, and here it's in neutral. If your Kirby is on, I'm not going to turn it on because it's so loud right now, but if it's on, you press this, and that engages the tech drive and makes it easy to push. Now, ironically, it's going to be hard for me to push and very hard to try to back it up with the tech drive engaged without it on. It'll go forward and back with tech drive. Makes it easy. Super easy, rolls around nice and light, feels lighter than even my Dyson or any other vacuum. Well, a while back, a viewer said you can get more suction out of a Kirby by vacuuming with the tech drive off. Without the tech drive enabled, even though it's harder to push while it's vacuuming, it will have massively more suction, and I didn't believe them. Well, guess what I just discovered? I just tried it. I tried it myself. Actually, let me just show you. First, I'm going to enable the tech drive. I'm going to switch the D, and it's easy. I hope this comes out on camera and in some way relays. This is super easy to use, very, very light. Makes it feel like a light stick vacuum, but it's a powerful, massive Kirby. So just look at this. Look how much it's moving the carpet. Now, I'm gonna disable the tech drive, so it's hard for me to push. I mean, this is, again, the vacuum is sucking this thing to the floor, to this carpet, and it's not one to let go. So there's a lot of restriction, and I'm feeling all of the weight of the vacuum, but the suction, look again as I get towards the edge of this carpet, it's lifting the carpet way higher. So I'm just gonna do a back and forth here with the tech drive on, without the tech drive. And this is at the same vacuum height. I haven't changed anything, but there is massively more power, more suction power out of the Kirby with the tech drive off. And that just blows my mind. I can't understand why that is. I mean, this is just a little electric assisted, well, I don't understand. The only thing I can figure is, I know in a car, you have your alternator, and then if you have something powerful, like you have your headlights on bright and you're rolling down power windows and you try to do all the power windows at once, you can kind of see on some cars just a little flutter in the light output. Maybe that's what I'm seeing here. The tech drive is just taking just a little bit of power away from the motor spinning. Maybe the motor RPMs, even though you don't hear it, it doesn't sound any different to me. Maybe the motor RPMs are slightly lower with the tech drive on than they are with it off. I honestly don't know, but what I do know is, wow, it is crazy powerful. Whoever you were right. Thank you so much for sharing something new with my Avalir 2. Thanks so much to the viewers. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.